Today, let's talk about replace the rear brake pad for the Mercedes-Benz ML320 CDI. So first of all, you need these two screws. One is the 8 millimeter hex. That's for take off the sensor. The second one is the 7 millimeter hex inner for take out two bolts which hold this guy. Now these bolts come here. They have the caps. You need to use a flat screwdriver to take it out. The cap. Okay, that will prevent some dust goes into the bolt. The other is the lower level. So you can see when you use a flat screwdriver, you clip in, you can easily take it off. Okay, so once you have these two screw cap out like this, so you are all good. Leave this one inside the hole, then open this one, open the lower one. Yeah, one thing I need to mention is for the rear brake pad, there actually has one sensor, not two sensors for this car, and the sensor is on the other side, like the passenger side. The sensor will clip like here. You can see there's a gap, right, at this area. So this area will put a sensor in, and the sensor will has a wire, and the connector goes here. You need an 8 millimeter bolt to take off the screw which hold the sensor connector. Once you take this out, so it's all good. So keep the sensor. Maybe you still can reuse, but better to have a new one to put it on. That means it's only need one sensor for the rear pad, for both the rear pad. It's sit on the passenger side. That's something I just finished. But on this side, the driver's side, there's no sensor need, only one sensor. So take off those bolts, and then you need a C-clamp. Let me show you the C-clamp. Here I need this guy, which help us to push the pad holder in, because you have a new pad, so we need more space. You see the pad? Yeah, they had a pusher here, so we need to use the C-clamp to push it back, and then leave more space to fit the new pad. That's pretty much more for replace a rear pad. So first of all, we need to take off the clip over here. Yeah, it doesn't looks like too difficult. You just need a flat screwdriver and get these things out. It's all good, because your new one will carry a new one. Yeah, this is the older one. Once you take this one off, so you see my pad is losing. So I only need to take off these two bolts, and all the clips will goes up, so we can replace the pad. It's pretty not too difficult job for a DIY, since if you have those tools like the C-clamp and those bolts, those screwdrivers. Okay, so thank you for watching, and give us a like. So I will continue to submit my new work, which I would like to see if it help you to finish your DIY job. But all the risk you may need consider, you take risk by yourself. This is not a training video, it's just share for fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.